The Morlais project manages a 35-kilometre square area of seabed near Holy Island, Anglesey. It has the potential to generate a capacity of up to 240 megawatts of clean, low-carbon electricity using the power of the tide.
Unlike other renewable sources of electricity, such as wind, the tides never stop. They are dependable and predictable. The tides are caused by the gravitational forces of the sun and moon moving the seas around the surface of the earth. It is this movement of water that is used to generate electricity. In a few places, the location of land masses and the shape of the seabed magnifies the movement of the sea to create an area of great, strong tidal energy. The west coast of Anglesey and Holy Island is one of these places.
Morlais aims to secure consent to build the required infrastructure so that the developers can build and deploy tidal stream energy devices into the Morlais zone. This will enable Morlais to use this strong tidal current to generate clean, low-carbon electricity. There are many different designs of tidal energy converters, depending on the types of tidal devices used. Some may be visible floating above the sea surface. Others may be anchored mid-water, and some are fully submerged in the sea and have parts that may or may not be seen above the surface.
The strong tides will turn these turbines to produce electricity. The electricity generated will travel from the devices in the sea along cables on the seabed towards the nearby coast. When on land, the cables will reach a substation. The electricity will then be taken inland underneath the roads via a cable to reach a grid end substation.
From this substation, the electricity generated through low-carbon energy is taken by the national grid to power homes and businesses.
Morlais is a Menter project which aims to benefit local communities, the economy and environment through renewable low-carbon electricity generation.